Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add the bio to your ASKfm account. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, and after that tap on this home button down below on the left side of the screen, and then click on this profile icon in the upper left corner again. Tap on the settings button on the right side of the screen and click on profile, which is the fourth section. Here you can find this bio option, that's the third one, so tap on it, and as you can see you have a blank page to which you can type in your introduction. So type in your bio, and when you are done, click on the save button in the upper right corner of the screen to update this section, so you will be able to find it and edit it anytime you feel like to do so. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.